Hey Zealplex.
Yes, say.
Hey Zealplex, can you teach me Java?
Yeah, sure. Let's get started and let's get right into it.
What's up everyone, welcome to the 10th video of learning Java. In this video I'm going to be teaching you about for loop and also pre and post operators. So let's get started and let me show you about how we can do that. So let me just go ahead and type something out that's ends over here, and here I'm going to go ahead and type number 1 is equal to number 1 plus 1 and then close this one. So I think you must be knowing that how it works. It is going to go ahead and add number 1 will be value to it, and this will go ahead and add number 1 to it. There is an easy way to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and close this one, and that easy way is adding double plus to it. That's what we say as pre to it, and if we go ahead and add plus behind number 1 2 times, it is going to be known as post. So how it is going to be worked, so let me just go ahead and give you the example of how it is going to work. As I have added over here, so let me type it out. So as you know that I'm going to go ahead and type number 1. As you know that I have added double 1 to it, it is going to go ahead and add number 1 to it. So let me just go ahead and run it. So as you can see, it is going to show number 1 to it. So what if I added it behind it? Do you think it is going to go ahead and try something else? So let me just go ahead and play it. Again, it shows number 1. So why it is not going to show in different way is there are some ways when it is going to give some effect to it. So let me just go ahead and explain you about how it is going to work. As you know that I have added that out, so let me just go and add number 2 to it, so it will be much more better for you to understand. So I'm going to go ahead and type number 2, and here I'm going to go ahead and number 1. Here I'm going to go ahead and instead adding print 1, I'm going to keep it 2. I forgot to add semicolon. That's the reason I was getting the warning to it. As you know that it is giving me an error to it because I don't have number 2 to it. Here I'm going to go ahead and type number 2 and give it a value as 1 to it, and then close this one. So do you think that it is going to go and give any other value to it? So let me just go ahead and play that out. As you can see that it is going to give me the value of 1. What if I go ahead and close this one and add double plus on the back side? That goes to be pushed. So I'm going to go ahead and play it. Anyways, you get the idea. So let me just close all of this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and type 4 inside the brackets. I'm going to go ahead and type int I, to go ahead and type So as this piece of code I have tried it right now, so let me just go ahead and explain you what it has been written. So this piece of line you know, and I just wanted to show you that this is the string and this is how I added the chart to it. It must be much more understandable for you. So now I'm going to go ahead and explain you about for loop. So as you know that this piece of code is one statement, this piece of code is another statement, and this piece of code is another statement. So total it makes 3 statements in this one line. So it is like shortcuts. So what we are doing over here is, let me just go ahead and comment that out. So that will be much more better for you to understand. Generally we are using for loop. On the first one we are initialization. Secondly, we are terminating, and third, we are incrementing. So that must be much better for you to understand. On the first, we give it a value as 0, and then second way I just gave that if it cross number 5, it is going to go ahead and terminate. It means that it is going to close this one. And third, it is going to add number 1 to it, so that will be number 1, number 2, and then number 3. So that's how it is going to work. So let me just go ahead and play that out. So as you can see it right over here, it is going to go and put a value, that value of I is going to be I. So it is going to go from number 0, this is going to be number 2, and it is reached till 4, because at the 5 one it is going to be terminate, that means it is going to be stopped. So in this way you know that how it is going to work. Next, what I wanted to show you was, what if I want to terminate it inside this one. So let me just go ahead and here I'm going to give it an equality to it, and inside here I'm going to give it a break to it, and then close this one. I'm going to go ahead and give a break to it, so that means it will start from 0 and it will go till 2. So let me just go ahead and play. So it is going to go from start from 1, 2, and it is going to go ahead and end it over here as it shows. Number 3 is, as you know, that I had added double equal to, that means it will go till 3, not more than that. So that's how you know that it is going to work like that. And as you know that I added the statement to it, and I also added what it is going to work. So that's it for this video. I hope that complex thing of for loop is going to be much more easier for you when you just start coding, because this was the simplest I can make it. If you have any problem with that, you can just go ahead and comment down below. I'll try to help you out with that. So see you in the next one.
Click on the link above and watch more video to learn more.
Thanks for you for teaching me Java in a simple way.
If you like to learn more, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And also make sure to like this video. If you have any question, you can ask it in the comments section below.
Yeah, sure, Zealplex, I will do that for sure.